If you are wondering if a quick share on Samsung Galaxy A57 works with AirDrop on iPhone, then let's give it a try. In order to check that, we need to go to the control center, for example. We need to tap on the AirDrop and we need to set it to everyone for 10 minutes. Of course, Bluetooth and Wi-Fi must be enabled as well. Now on Galaxy A57, we can try to find a file that we want to send via quick share. So let's say I'm gonna choose this picture over here, and we're gonna tap on this share button over here, and of course we can tap on the quick share. In here, in share to devices nearby, we should be able, at least in theory if it works, we should be able to find our iPhone in here. But as you can see, it is not here actually. There is another smartphone, but that is definitely not my iPhone. So it seems that the answer is unfortunately no. At least right now it is not possible to use QuickShare in order to transfer files to iPhone directly. One thing that we can do, however, is we can get a QR code or link. So if we tap on the QR code on link over here, of course we need to use a Samsung account for that. Alright, and there we go, we have generated a QR code, which we can of course scan on our iPhone, or we can use the link that we have in here. So let's see, I'm gonna open the QR code scanner, and we should be able to open the link in the browser, and we can easily download all the content that we have selected. So of course, this is an alternative method that actually works. But unfortunately, if you were wondering if we can find it here on this list of nearby devices, unfortunately, in that case, the answer is no. Leave a like and subscribe.